In the name of Allah, the most kind and most merciful. Ladies and gentlemen, today the topic of the debate is: are WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat killing creativity or not? It is said, and I just quote, people who think outside the box actually try to find the innovative ideas or solutions. The creativity exists within the brain of an individual. But once you get the outsource, the sources lying outside, which facilitate to boost up the creativity, you think and create or innovate the different things quickly and effectively. So this is what this electronic media or these segments of the electronic medias are doing. These segments actually facilitate to your creativity to come up with higher speed. If you take the example of WhatsApp, Facebook, or any Instagram or whatever it is, when you go there, you read or you see or you watch something new or something different which you have never seen it, you think over and over again that how I can bring something new and introduce on the same channel to make the good changes. So this is how it brings a kind of courage to, it boosts you up to think and bring new things on the media through these kinds of programs like Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. For example, if somebody has no courage, he feels that he has no courage to speak up before the audience. But once he will get chance, he will utilize his speaking power alone on his own cell phone, and if he keeps on trying, the things which are inside, which within his brain will come up, will rise up, and you will see a person who was speaking 6 months ago on the same platform, and you see him now, you will feel a lot of difference between his speech. And in this way, the things which are inside the human being are brought out because of these facilities, which we call the electronic media actually. So in my opinion, these are the best programs. Every individual must take part in all these programs and to find out the best out of the best. Thank you. Jazakumullah khair. See you again. Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Samil Hassan and I am from Faisalabad. Today's topic is social media is destroying creativity, yes or no? Today, world has made much progress in science and technology, and world has been turned into a global village by internet. Almost every person of every country has access of internet. Through social media, we can keep ourselves updates from what is happening in the world and around us. It is the best platform to show talent of the people, and we can also keep connection with the others. Social media has facilitated so much information that was impossible to gather using the conventional means. No doubt, social media has bring many changes in our life. But social media also reduces the creativity of the people. We know that the addiction of the everything is bad. Social media requires a lot of time from their users and energy that could be used for other fruitful and the creative works. Using internet all the day have less time for physical activities. Thus, using access social media also has a negative effect on the health and the mental ability. Unfortunately, um, in Pakistan, our youth seem to be most addicted of the social media. They waste their more precious time in using the social media than instead of using in the other fruitful and the creative works. That is the reason Pakistan is far behind uh, in inventions in science and technology from the other countries of the world. If we want to become successful in future and in life, we must use social media only for the positive and best purposes, and we should need to keep balance in our life. Thank you.